Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Samsung Galaxy phone for gaming. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all, we need to go to our setting, and in the setting, we need to search for game booster setting. You need to type in game booster setting, this one guys. And if this setting or if this feature hasn't appeared in your setting, you need to download it. You can get it from Play Store or Galaxy Store. And after this feature is already installed in your Samsung Galaxy phone, you can open this feature to set up your Samsung Galaxy phone for gaming. Okay, on the first one, I'm going to select this option, block during game. I'm going to block notification when I'm playing a game in the Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, you can activate this feature, and then I'm going to go back and I'm going to activate this feature as well. Save power during touch protection. I'm going to activate this feature, and then for the game optimization, we can go to this menu, and here we'll be able to customize the game optimization, and I'm going to select performance for a better gaming performance. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to set up our Samsung Galaxy phone for gaming. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.